Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to start a series of React.js tutorial, and we will be discussing all the benefits of React, and in every video we will be having a code practice so that you can have a actual experience how React.js coding is being done. We will also discuss about the editor that is being used to write the code for React.js, and we'll be also discussing the benefits of React. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So friends, as you know that React.js is basically used to create the UI part of a particular design. So if we talk about MVC patterns, so model, view and controller, so React comes at the place of view where you only concentrate on creating the design part. You are not bothered about the model and the controller part. So React is basically a library that is being maintained by Facebook, and it is only for view part, only for design. And right now React is very much popular in the market. So if you want to make your career in React, it's very important that you should know all the details of React. So basically the main difference, if you are going to select between Angular and React, the main difference is Angular is a full-fledged framework. Both are JavaScript libraries, but if you talk about React, it is a library, and if you talk about Angular, it is a framework in which like you can do complex application also. So in this video we will talk about React. So React is a component based library in which everything that you create in React is a component. And if you just want to know what is a component, so in a website, if you talk about the parts of a website, we have a header section, we have a nav bar section, we have a body section, we have a footer section. So all these things comes under components. So every part of a website is created as a component in React. So let us first check what is the folder structure of React. So we have first the folder structure. We have, once you create a React app, so that starts from, we have this public, we have source folder, we have package.json folder. So first thing is package.json folder, which describes everything that is related to your app. So it has the name of your app, it has the scripts that will start your React application, then that will build, then that is the script that is used to test. So everything that is related to your application is mentioned in package.json file. Then we have git ignore, so this particular file is not very much important. And then we will go to this public folder. This public folder is very important folder because this is the first place where your application, once it is loaded, the first interaction comes from this particular file, that is index.html. This is the main file, and we don't make any changes in these files apart from adding any JavaScript or any bootstrap library. Apart from this file is same because this is the entry point, and you can see this contains all the information. So we have the root. So in public folder you can see we have logo, then we have manifest.json file. So again, this file is on used for progressive web application. So for React.js, it is not very much important. But yes, index.html file, first file is the index.html file that loads your React application on the browser. And then once we go to our source folder, so source folder have all the different types of files. So the other file that is very important is index.js file. Why this file is important? Because this file again is going to load the root, whatever we just checked in index.html file. You can say this is index.html file. So this root, app root, the component root is being loaded using this file index.js that is in source folder. And once these index.html and index.js file are being loaded, they call the root component. And whenever you create any application using create a React app, we have this folder structure, and this app.js file is already ready, and we have this particular app.js file, and this is being loaded in the index.html file. Apart from this, we have normal files like css file. So this is index.css file. So you can create as many class, and then you can apply that on your app.js file. So you can see we have already imported this app.css file, and we can apply using this class name. Then we have test.js. Again, if you want to do some testing, so we can go for test.js. So this is the full-fledged folder structure of a React application. You can see we have public main folder from where your application runs. Your application is loaded in the browser. We have source folder in which all the source files. So since it is a component based, everything in React is component. So we create different components in terms of JavaScript file, and then we load. So friends, this is all about the folder structure, what React is. In the next video, we will discuss how to create a component using Create React App. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.